This is Rebecca Vargas reporting live, and I'm here today to show you how to make something wonderful. Check it out, folks. First of all, you're going to need a regular navel orange. Now, with this orange, you're going to stick cloves in it like you would a ham. And what's going to happen is, after you stick cloves all in it, and it's very, very tedious, but it's so worth it when you get this done. Oh, it's a little hard to do. And when you're finished, the product's going to smell so good, and it's something you can actually do at home. And when it's done, it looks like that right there, and you hang it from a ribbon like that. See that? Beautiful. Now, what happens is it makes your house smell fantastic, and you don't have to wait for Christmas for this to happen. You can do it anytime you want to, and it lasts a really, really long time. As the orange starts to get a little bit wrinkly, the citrus or the pulp in your orange will start popping, and they'll infuse together with those cloves, and your entire house will smell just fantastic. This is Rebecca Vargas reporting live. I hope these tips help you. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Yeah.